Hey guys, I'm sick today, but still I want to continue my daily misses. So I'm about to sleep right now, and before going to bed at night, I'm going to imagine that tomorrow I'll be fit and healthy with no more runny nose. I'll be imagining that I'll be doing 20 push-ups because I cannot do 20 push-ups as of right now. I've got a mild case of upper respiratory tract infection. And Neville Goddard said, persistent imagination creates your personal reality. So, as I lay in the bed, I'll be putting myself in a state of relaxation. And then I'll be imagining that when I wake up in the tomorrow, I'll be doing 20 push ups and I'll be saying to myself, wow, I'm able to do 20 push-ups and I no longer have runny nose. I'll be imagining that I'm blowing my nose and no water is going to come out of my nose. Air will be coming out of it. And I'll be looking at my throat in the mirror in my imaginal scene. I'll be looking at my uvula and my uvula will be very pink in my imagination, not reddish as it is right now. All these things signify that my cold has been healed and I no longer have to suffer. So, this is how you change your life through disciplined use of your imagination. Now, you can use this in any kind of life problems. If you're facing some problems in your dating life, imagine that you're an amazing guy. Imagine that girls are coming up to you. Imagine the girl of your dreams, your dream girl is coming up to you and she's complimenting you. She's trying to kiss you. If you persist in this imaginal act night after night, and if you feel the elevated emotions of satisfaction and joy out of this imaginal act, then this imagination is actually going to get outpictured into your physical reality. Because physical reality is not real, it is completely an illusion. It is an extension of your own mental activities. This is the reason why yogis call our physical reality as Maya. So, yeah, this is how you change your dating life through a disciplined use of your imagination. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.